Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with an unboxing. I actually purchased the Advent box, the extras that the Giving Girl had left over. I just had it delivered unwrapped and she only had a few of them, so I was able to get one. And I thought I would share it with you. I don't know if there's a little card that tells you about everything or not. I've never ordered from the Giving Girl, but I've seen her things on Instagram and love them. So I don't see a little card in it, so we will just go through it. The first thing is this beautiful Beautiful Crystal V pen, and it looks like it is a blush colored. If you've never had a Beautiful pen, they're amazing. I love it. I have a hard time using the one I have. If I can get this open, just because it is so nice, but I'm going to start using it. And it looks like we also get a refill with it. So this is the blush pink. It says Be Beautiful on it. Has all the little jimmies inside. The tip on it looks like that. Super pretty. I love the gold. There. Has a little goober on it. I don't want to take that off yet. So we got a pen and a refill. And then it looks like we got 3 sets of washi. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, here it is. I just did my nails, so I don't want to mess them up. So we got this pretty heart washi, gold foil, and then we got this kind of a mauve-ish gold foil Days of the Week. And then we got this butterfly and this pretty turquoise gold foil Days of the Week as well. And then we have some page flags, and these look to be like in a blush color. So super pretty, and they are translucent. And then we got some in this mauve color. That almost looks like a stone color. So that probably looks more blush when it's taken off. And then we got a couple pads of paper. Oh, I want to use these as cleaning trackers. I can put like, these are Monday through Sunday, and I could put like my cleaning tasks for the week. Because I want to start switching those up a little bit and varying them. then we got another notepad, and this one looks like a daily. Has priorities, to do, and schedule. So when I'm really busy, I think I may write one of these out. That'll be nice. And then I believe this was the 24-day box. So this is the Giving Girl. The kit is called Flight. Has butterflies, has the gold foil. You could use either one of these for the days of the week. You get some icons at the bottom, and then your picture boxes with a double picture box. And a quote that says, "Indulge your imagination in every possible flight." And that's Jane Austen. Then you get some beautiful washi, days of the week, some bow headers, several functional boxes, and then some checklist icons, to-dos, to-buys, to clean, a checklist box, a Monday through Sunday, and then a lot of flag and different kinds of boxes. So this one is called Flight. And then this one is very full. Oh, they say day 1, day 2, day 21 on all of these. This is from day 20 and day 20. So you get 2 more sets of the washi. So you could probably use this checklist or this kit for 2 or 3 weeks. So you get that, and then you get these sticker sheets. So you get some like headers, super pretty gold foil. You get some Happy Mail and mailboxes. You get some bows. You get some lace doilies. You get some laptop doodle icons. You get some bow fairy lights. And some dainty dividers. You get some of the mini fairy light boxes. Butterfly fairy light dangles. Oh, these are going to be so pretty. Some stamp boxes. And it looks like I got a second one of the stamp boxes that is not foiled. You get some line border boxes. You get some layering text labels in the gold foil. You get some date dots, and it looks like you get 2 months on here. Doily date dots, I should say. You get some fairy light corners. You get some mini icon dots. And you get some translucent mini dots. Then you get lace deco variety. Hanging frame boxes. You get some bar habit trackers. And then you get some flight cluster deco. You get some floral headers. These are some butterfly twinkle date dots. You get 2 months on there. You get some bow strung hearts. Aren't those so cute? So pretty. You get some Flight Floral Deco. And then some Flight Floral Deco without the foiling. And then you get some Flight Deco. So that is all of the Giving Girls 24-day box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Did you get any Advent boxes? If you did, which one was your favorite? I've shown several on my channel. If you didn't get one, just tell me which one was your favorite that you watched on my channel. And I will be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.